With ShareGate Apricot, governing your teams has never been easier. But what if you're going through an organizational change and you need to reorganize your teams and channels? With ShareGate Desktop, you can migrate exactly what you want where you need it. Whether you're consolidating two tenants together or simply moving a few teams and channels within the same tenant, we can help. Let's see it in action. The first thing you'll want to do is click on the copy screen in order to see your different migration options. As we're migrating teams, we will click on Copy Teams. Now, we need to ensure that we have a connection to the environments that will be involved in this migration. To add a connection, you can simply click on this arrow, then Add Connection. Here, enter the site address of your tenant and provide the credentials of a user with the necessary permissions. If you use MFA or multi-factor authentication, use the browser authentication option instead to complete the connection. You will want to do this for both your source and your destination tenants. Next, imagine you're going through an acquisition and you need to bring over the teams of this newly acquired company. You could select all of the teams and migrate them in bulk, or you can leverage the granularity of the tool. Need to migrate marketing only with all or some of its private and standard channels? Or do you wish to migrate accounting, HR, and marketing in bulk? With ShareGate Desktop, the choice is yours, making it easy for you to bring over chat history, channels, membership, files, tabs, apps, planner plans, and more. Once you've made your selection, it's time to pick your destination. Let's choose ShareGate Support. Here, you can choose exactly where and how your teams are migrated. Maybe you already have an accounting team and you really only need to bring over the source channels. Well, you can do that. And since there's already a channel called General at the destination, you can easily add a prefix or a suffix to the name or change it altogether to avoid problems at the destination. We make it easy for you, allowing the prefix or suffix change to be made in bulk. For HR and marketing, let's copy them as new teams. If some users have left the organization, or if you simply wish to explicitly map the permissions of specific users, you can do so here. Once you're ready, you can either schedule your migration to run at a time of you choosing, or start your copy now. And there we have it. Our migration is underway. Once your migration is finished, you can head over to the task screen where you will find a detailed report for this team's copy. You can even export this report to Excel for even more flexibility. You can also take advantage of our incremental migrations, enabling you to copy only what's changed since your last migration. With ShareGate Desktop, you can quickly and effortlessly migrate your teams your way.